Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hey guys, I've got an update for you. It's somebody's birthday. I told you I'm also a Mayborn, and you see, Mayborn, we are so spectacular. We are, we are a special person. We are a special being. Yes, that is it. And it's somebody's birthday. Get whose birthday it is. It's no other person but Honorable Shina Peller. Happy birthday to you. Woo! He celebrated his 46 years in Grand Star. Yes. And I don't need to tell you that stars or celebrities will be there. That is certain. It was they were all there, and it was a huge celebration that is celebrated by friends. Shina Peller was celebrated by friends, family, friends all over the world. In fact, I will say many happy returns to you, Sir Honorable Shina Peller. Many happy returns. You will celebrate 50, 100, 150, 200. Should I still go on? Okay, 250, 300. It's okay, sir. Many happy returns of the day. We wish you best in all your endeavors. So many happy returns to you, sir.